So I'm just going to show you how I used Natural Reader to create a text-to-speech bot.
Hi, Dr. Nellie. My name is Knives Torsi. I have been using Moodle for many years on an on-off basis. However, we do use it at the current high school that has its own Moodle setup. It will be updated over the summer period, hopefully to the 4.4 Moodle. I have also been a Moodle student with integrating technology since 2014 or thereabouts. I have created a few Moodle courses within the school, but mostly for English classes. I would rate my proficiency at creating a Moodle course around 3.5, as I still don't feel as comfortable with it as I would with Google Classroom. Experience with Moodle activities and resources. I have created lots of forms over the years. Lately I created a quiz within the Moodle, and although it takes a lot of time and patience to set it up, not a simple copy and paste like on Quizlet or Kahoot. However, I really like the correcting feedback to the student option. I have added videos and links to external interactive video apps like Edpuzzle. I always check to see if everything works well before sending out to the students. I have also created groups with different tasks. I used the gradebook once or so few times that I would really need a refresher on this, as I remember it being very gluggy. Although it may be better and easier to use on the 4.4 Moodle, I look forward to learning and improving my Moodle skills. Knives.
Apart from getting my name wrong, it's rather easy to use and quick. That's all from me. Till next time.